What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. As you see here, we have OH group, alcohol group, and here these two are connected by oxygen atom. So we are dealing with an ether and alcohol at the same time. So in order to name them, so I'm gonna have this alkyl group and this one is the ethanol group. So we have ethanol, so I'm gonna write it here, ethanol. And here we have ethyl group that's connected to oxygen. So we're gonna call it Ethoxy ethanol. And since it connects to the second carbon here, because this one, since it's connected to the alcohol group, it's gonna be number 1. This one is gonna be number 2. So we call it 2-ethoxy ethanol. So that's how you name this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.